Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript code in Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to add custom functionality, tracking scripts, or interactive elements to your WordPress pages without diving into theme files. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your browser, navigate to your website's admin area, and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your site management tools are located. Now, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find your main navigation menu. Click on Pages and then select All Pages from the submenu that appears. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently published or drafted on your website. Next, locate the specific page where you want to add your JavaScript code. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the page title. You'll notice several options appear beneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor to open the page in the Elementor Visual Editor. This launches the full editing interface where you can modify your page design and content. Once Elementor loads, you'll see your page preview in the center and a widget panel on the left side of the screen. This widget section contains all the elements you can add to your page. At the top of this panel, there's a search bar designed to help you quickly find specific widgets without scrolling through the entire list. Click on that search bar and type HTML. This will filter the available widgets and bring up the HTML widget, which is exactly what we need for adding JavaScript code. The HTML widget allows you to insert custom code directly into your page, making it perfect for JavaScript snippets. Click on the HTML widget to add it to your page. You can either drag it to a specific location or simply click it to place it in your current section. Once added, a code editor box will appear where you can paste your JavaScript. Simply click inside this box and paste your JavaScript code. Make sure your code is wrapped in script tags if it isn't already. The widget will accept and execute the code when the page loads. And that's it. You've successfully added JavaScript code to your Elementor page, giving you complete control over custom functionality and interactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.